Hello Turbo family, this is Sam from Turbo Traders, and today we are back here again with another purchase that we just did. It's a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, beautiful car. It got the 2.4L motor on it, so it's the fast one, it's the fully loaded one. It comes with the leather seats, 20-inch wheels, runs and drives excellent. We are gonna get it PDI'd, we are gonna get it ready for the shop so that it can be listed for sale. So right now I found two issues on it. One is that it needs a front right tire, we're gonna get it replaced, and it needs an oil change, and it needed brake pads too, but I replaced the brake pads, so it's good to go. So it just needs an oil change and the front right tire. So on today's episode we are gonna show you how to change your oil at home with the right tools, just within 5 minutes. So stick to the video, look it out, and if you like this video, please like, share, comment down below. Thank you y'all, have a great one, just stick to it. Thank you. Alright everybody, back at it again. We got it lifted up from the ground. As y'all can see, I already got a jack stand over there too. So now we're gonna drain. So now we're gonna look for the drain plug, which is up there. We're gonna look for the drain plug, we're gonna let it drain here, and then let's do it back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna remove this oil filter. So I got this tool right here from Harbor Freight, no sponsorship. So we're gonna do is remove this. It's really hot and tight.
Filter, it has nothing in it, the new one. You put a little bit of oil in it. This will just prime the filter, so when the car starts for the first time, it will have like fresh oil from the filter. Then you take the oil and you just like lubricate the rubber seal like this, and then you put this inside the car.
So now we are gonna refuel it up. We got the brand new 5W30 out here, the Valvoline. So I believe this takes like 4.6 quart, right?
Yes, but we're gonna fill it up 4 quarts first.
Okay.
And then see how much more we need.
So y'all heard it right from the car wizard.
Okay, so now that the oil change is done, you're gonna just start up the car. Just let it run for 10 seconds or so, and then just go back and check the dipstick to see the oil level is all good.